Alright, I'm going to show you how to disassemble the Smith & Wesson M&P 2.0. This should be the same for most Smith & Wesson M&P series full size. Firstly, make sure your firearm is clear. Lock your slide to the back. Flip this little lever. Allow your slide to go forward. Pull the trigger. Your gun is now disassembled for cleaning. Reassembly is very simple. Put your slide back on. Lock it to the back. Flip your lever back. Release your slide. Pistol is now functional. Another very easy firearm to disassemble and reassemble. If this video helps you out at all, please consider subscribing, and y'all have a great day.